Good morning, students. In previous class we discussed liquid in liquid type of solutions. How many types? Two types. We have liquid in liquid type of solutions. Ideal solutions, non-ideal solutions. Ideal solutions already we discussed. Now we are going to discuss non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions. Okay, non-ideal solutions, there are two types. Non-ideal solutions, there are two types. How many types? Two types. Okay, first one is solutions which give positive deviation. Solutions give positive deviation. Solutions which give positive deviation. And second one is nothing but solutions which give negative deviation. Solutions which give negative deviation. Okay. See, positive deviation means first we are going to discuss one by one. First one, positive deviation solutions. So first of all, you know what are non-ideal solutions. The solutions which does not obey Raoult's law. The solutions which does not obey these the solutions which does not obey Raoult's law. Raoult law at an entire concentration, at entire concentration and temperature. Entire concentration and temperature are called non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions. The solutions which does not obey Raoult's law at a entire concentration and temperature are called non-ideal solutions. These are two types. So first one is nothing but a positive deviation solutions. So here we are going to discuss first, it is very important. First one, positive deviation solutions, very important. Okay, here what type of solutions can give positive deviation means the solution, the vapor pressure of the solution is higher than the predicted Raoult's law. They give positive deviation. The solutions having vapor pressure is higher than the Raoult's law. That type of solutions give positive deviation. Means the vapor pressure of the the vapor pressure of the solution, the vapor pressure of the solution having higher value than predicted Raoult's law. The vapor pressure of the solution having higher value than the predicted Raoult's law are called positive deviation solutions. So, the solutions which give higher than the vapor pressure of the Raoult's law or which gives positive deviation solutions. Okay. Here explanation I am going to give. Explanation. Okay. Here A plus B gives rise to AB. A equal to SOLVENT. Okay. B equal to SOLUTE. It is equal to SOLUTION. Solution. Then first point, the intermolecular interactions of AB. Intermolecular interactions of AB is lower than, means they give positive deviation now. The intermolecular interactions of AB is weaker than AA comma BB. So what I mean to say, the intermolecular interactions between the AB is weaker than AA and BB means then more solute and solvent particles have a chance to escape from the solution. Then vapor pressure is high. Okay. Next, here resulting means mixture of the solution change in enthalpy is 0. Means ఇది positive deviation greater than 0 means delta H mix means change in enthalpy of the solution. Change in enthalpy of the solution is positive deviation, so greater than 0. At the same time, delta V mix is greater than 0 means the volume of the mixture of the solution, volume of the solution delta V means on mixing volume will be changes na, that volume will be change is greater than 0. At the same time, P A is greater than P naught A XA, P B is greater than P naught B XB. Then P total is greater than P naught A plus P naught B. Okay. Examples for these solutions which give positive deviation means ethyl alcohol plus water, C2H5OH plus H2O. acetone benzene CH3 CO CH3 plus C6H6. Next acetone CH3 CO CH3 plus CS2 carbon disulfide. All these are examples for next explanation means positive deviation solutions. Positive deviation solutions. If you draw a graph for this positive deviation solutions, the graph is like this. Okay, if you draw a graph for positive deviation solutions, the graph is like this. It is vapor pressure, it is also vapor pressure, it is a mole fraction, here XA equal to 0, XB equal to 1, here XA equal to 1, XB equal to 0. Then first of all you know Raoult's law graph, how it is. It is Raoult's law graph. It is a first graph. A is nothing but a PA. The point is nothing but a P naught A. It is the second graph. It is a PB. The point is nothing but a P naught B. Then total pressure, okay, it is nothing but a P total PA plus a PB. It is Raoult's law. Now which gives positive deviation means it is the vapor pressure of the Raoult's law. Now the vapor pressure of the positive deviation solutions higher than Raoult's law means like this. Higher than Raoult's law means like this. Like this. Like this. So this is vapor pressure of positive deviation solution. Vapor pressure of positive deviation solution. It is positive deviation solution. Understand? It is Raoult's law. So the solutions which does not obey Raoult's law at entire concentration and temperature are called non-ideal solutions. Then here positive deviation means the vapor pressure of the solution having higher value than the predicted Raoult's law is called like this. Okay. So here it is for non-ideal solutions. Okay. Then we are going to discuss negative deviation solutions. Negative deviation solutions. It is opposite. Negative deviation solutions explanation is opposite to positive deviation solutions. Okay. Going to discuss. Then it is also important. Then you have to know negative deviation solutions. Negative deviation. This is a second one. So you have to know first what are negative deviation solutions. The solutions having the vapor pressure of these solutions, the vapor pressure of these solutions having lower value, the vapor pressure of these solutions having lower value of predicted Raoult's law, have you lower value than predicted Raoult's law. Predicted Raoult's law. Okay, the value of these, the vapor pressure of these solutions having lower value than the predicted Raoult's law are called negative deviation solutions. Are called negative deviation solutions. Okay, then here examples we may say. Examples, explanation like this: solute, solvent, solute and solution. Intermolecular interactions of AB is stronger than. Here we have to write intermolecular interactions of AB is stronger than AA and BB. So stronger means solute and solvent particles escaping from the solution is very less. Then what? Vapor pressure is less. Then delta H mix is less than 0. Here delta V mix is less than 0. Here PA is less than. Here PB is less than P naught B XB. Then P total is less than PA plus PB. Then examples also we are going to give examples. HCl plus H2O. Okay. Then HNO3 plus H2O. Okay, all these are examples for which give positive or negative deviation. Negative deviation means graph is not like this. Graph also we are going to draw. Here we are going to draw plot. Okay. Then it is a vapor pressure. Vapor pressure. It is a vapor pressure. It is a mole fraction. It is a mole fraction. Here XA equal to 0, XB equal to 1. Then here XA equal to 1, XB equal to 0. So how Raoult's law graph? Like this. It is a first graph PA. It is the point is P naught A. Then it is a second graph, it is a PB. Now the coinciding point is a P naught B. Then total vapor pressure, this is a P total is equal to PA plus PB. But the solutions having lower value than the Raoult's law, means the graph is which gives negative deviation like this, which gives negative deviation like this. Okay, this is the graph opposite to this. It is a positive deviation graph, that is a negative deviation graph. This is nothing but a vapor pressure of negative deviation, vapor pressure of negative deviation solutions. This is vapor pressure of positive deviation solutions. Okay, so you have to remove this. This is for negative deviation. The vapor pressure of these solutions having lower value than the predicted Raoult's law. So this is a plot for negative deviation. So this is explanation. Here A is the solvent, B is the solute, then AB is the solution. Then what happened? Intermolecular interactions of AB is stronger than AA-BB. For positive, weaker. The stronger means more solute and solvent particles, no chance to escape. Then vapor pressure is less. Less means less than. Okay. Then examples HCl, H2O, HNO3, H2O, like this. Okay. So here these are non-ideal solutions. So what we discussed in this class, non-ideal solutions, types of non-ideal solutions. What are non-ideal solutions? The solutions which give, means which having which does not obey Raoult's law at any concentration or entire concentration and temperature are called non-ideal solutions. These are two types, positive deviation and negative deviation. Positive deviation means these solutions having higher value, higher vapor pressure than Raoult's law. Negative deviation means these solutions having lower vapor pressure than the Raoult's law. So this is the way we discussed. In next class we are going to discuss colligative properties. Okay. So you have to work on chemistry second years time to time. Then more means you have to work more on chemistry second year comparing to other subjects. Why? Because second year chemistry is difficult.